ongoing. The Commission is further using digital platforms to engage stakeholders. Honourable Speakers and Honourable Members of Parliament, on the ground, the Electoral Commission recruited, trained and deployed supervisors at parish and sub-county level who also have the function of voter education, mobilization and awareness, who are mobilizing the communities on the operational plans regarding venues and time and requirements for completing the exercise. The time allocated will enable Ugandans to register and update their particulars.
More time for this process to be a free and fair one. Honourable Speaker, for an election to be a free and fair election, it is not just on D-Day. It begins with a process. When people feel they are being disenfranchised with young people, you're locking them out because of all these different quandaries. That's not a free and fair election. Can we increase the time? And Honourable Speaker,
Kampala, for the case of Kampala, with a very high population, where we have a parish that has 20,000 residents, just one parish equivalent to a sub-county, or even equivalent to some of your districts and constituencies, we cannot have one machine in operation. It is really unfair and it cannot accommodate the number and the residents.
Justification for NIRA to even become an authority was that it will become the one center for data collection from which all government agencies will feed on. And one of the key primary beneficiaries was supposed to be the Electoral Commission. That going forward, every county will upgrade the voters register. They will just go to NIRA, download just by a button all those that have clocked 18, and they know where they come from, and they produce a voters register for citizens to verify. Now they are shortchanging citizens, telling them, please go and register afresh. For how long will this country be taken for a ride? Should somebody investigate the role of Piso, which is emerging across many contributors here, where they are demanding a payment to stamp for these young people who want to go and vote. And we are talking about some 4 to 5 million young people who are first-time voters.
LCs, Gisos. Previously, one of my concerns was, why are we having all of these? Maybe LC, yes, but now Giso, Hiso, what role do they have in this? They are not known, by the way, by most people, and they also don't know most people, which is in contrast to an LC, because LCs, they know their people. Why are we bringing in all these people? And now they are bothering the population, asking them for money. 10,000 shillings, 20,000 shillings if you need a recommendation.
Mr. Speaker, an election is not rigged on the day it is casted. Elections are rigged through the full process. And Mr. Speaker, I want to inform this House that, for example, the Electoral Commission is using the census of 2014 to determine the constituencies and even to prepare for the elections. To them, the census of 2024 does not exist because, as they have said, the results are not fully gazetted, Mr. Speaker.
Zenkala kino kikulu nnyo mu nsonga z'ebyokulonda. Naye essaawa eno tulaba nga abantu bangi bakeddenga buli ddakiika ne bagenda bakyuse amannya gaabwe balabe ddala ti amannya kwegali naye tewali budde n'ebintu ebisinga tebiriwo, kits tewali. Otugamba otya nti no kits essaawa eno kati weeziri ku buli parish, naye wogenda essaawa eno mu Kakiri sub-county tewali.
Batunuulira butunuulizi nti eno ye Kampala Metropolitan, naye waliwo ebitundu hotspots all over the country mu ggwanga yonna erimu abalonzi abangi nga byetaaga machines endala okuba nti ziteekebwa. Tulina information abanira gye baatuwa nga balaga machines ezimu empya zaatuuka. Ti mu ggwanga saawa zino waliwo machines nyingi nnyo era ze bagenda n'okukozesa ku ndagamuntu okuzza obute endagamuntu. Nti we tuba tulinnyinga national ID machines zino ze zigenda okukola. Naye lwaki machines zino tebaziggyeeyo